everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense, and let's see what the month of August 2020 has in its store for our sun sign Aries. Before we move on to the general predictions of work, finances, relationships and finance, let me just give you a little bit idea about the general energy of the month for the sun sign Aries for the entire month of August 2020. So for the Aries, now usually Aries are the kind of sun signs, who really like to arrive and quickly get their work and just leave. They could be pretty impulsive at times, and also they just want to do something and just quickly get over with it to move on to something next. Now the energy of this particular month, August 2020 for Aries, is going to be the very slow and stabilizing types. So which means if you are as usual in a hurry of just doing something and getting away with it and getting along to the next job, this is not going to happen, which might kind of get you a little bit irritated, because something that takes usually 10 minutes to finish is going to almost take like at least 15 or 20 minutes, or let's say double the time of the usual time. So that might leave you a tad irritated. You have to see to it that you have to tune in your mood to these stable energies for the entire month of August 2020 in order to see to it that anything that comes up in your life in matters of work, finance, relationship or health does not irritate you and leave you very angry, but rather you are able to deal with it with a lot of calm and patience. So moving on to the department work. So work for this month of August 2020 for the Aries is again going to be a month where there are a lot of important decisions that are going to be taking this month regarding, let's say, management or important matters within your company or your workspace. So there could be a lot of meetings and discussions, and your opinion is going to highly matter. So again, as the energy of the month suggests, that do not rush over your decisions, do not just hurry and give your say and get over with it. Rather, take a stock of the entire situation, analyze and think what is to be done, and once everybody is done, and then you could think over the entire situation calmly and then give your decision. Do not be in a hurry to just give your decision and get over with it, because your decision, especially any discussion or decision making matters that are going to happen at your workspace, people are going to listen particularly to what you have to say or what is going to be your opinion on that. So have a stock of the entire situation, analyze it properly, think over it, and only then come to a logical conclusion, because this will prove very, very essential, and your decision is going to be really, really looked at or taken into consideration. So be very careful on that front. When it comes to finances, for this month, you will have to be very, very careful that you do not help someone or spend money very spontaneously out of an emotional impulse. Helping someone is absolutely good, and it will definitely make you feel very nice, but then there's no point of helping someone when you give the money away and then you realize that, oh, you know what, I needed this money for some other work, and now how am I going to deal with my upcoming expenses? So again, coming back to the theme of the month for the Aries, you need to understand that you will have to practice everything in a balanced way and using a lot of moderation. So finances, if you take care of these balances, finances are absolutely good. There is no problem. Just see to it that before helping others, you're very well aware of the finances that you have in your life, your expenses for the month, and once they are well taken care of, then you can nicely, without any botheration or tension, go ahead and help people. This month, when it comes to relationships, is a very, very beautiful month. What will happen is there will be some kind of a small gathering or some kind of a function in your house. There could be some announcement of an engagement or some kind of a marriage or a roka kind of a ceremony, and what is going to happen is everybody is going to get in together. Obviously you will have to be very careful and take precautions considering this is the COVID-19, but yes, a very, very happy ceremony or some kind of a good news is on its way. There's going to be a family gathering, and you know, you're going to meet after a very, very long time. So it is a very beautiful and a well settled atmosphere when it comes to relationships. You might actually, you know, probably just you and your spouse and your parents and your kids, you might, you know, alternatively just plan for a small trip or something. But in general, the month for relationships for the entire month of August 2020 for Aries seems very, very happy and very, very you know, much of togetherness. Togetherness is the key for relationships. Now what will happen is, when it comes to health, there is a lot of chance that this month will have you getting very agitated over the slow pace of things that is going to happen or take place in the different sections of your life this month, which is going to make you a little bit restless, nervous and pressurized, and you really want to, you know, let off your steam and just get away with it, but that is not going to happen. So again, I would say health is absolutely beautiful. There is nothing to get worried about. It's just that you need to take care of this restlessness. Now, how would you do that? You know, you could probably put down some soothing music, or you could, you know, just engage yourself in a very simple creative activity like, you know, painting, or, you know, playing a little game, or just probably watering a plant, just being meditating, probably being in one with the nature. Choose any activity that basically helps you put down your anxiety and restlessness because of the slow pace that you will be having to deal with throughout the entire month of August 2020. Otherwise, when it comes to health, there are no particularly issues as such, but if I still have to go ahead and give you a warning about, you know, a little bit of an issue, it would be your left hand. There are possibilities that, you know, you might just accidentally carry something very heavy in your left hand, and you know, it might cause a little bit of a sprain or a little bit of a pressure. So just be very careful about it. Rest. The month is absolutely beautiful. Just see to it that you remind yourself again and again throughout the month of August 2020 that this month is going to be a slow month for you when it comes to speed and the coming of the results or doing things in general. So please be patient and please be balanced.